How to blur background on InShot. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can blur your background of your video on InShot. Now to do so is simple. You want to simply open up your InShot application and tap on video option and then select the video. Now I'll just select a quick video here. I'll just select this particular video, that is 8 seconds. Once you select the video here, now what you want to do is you want to tap on effects option and then tap on filters option, and then you want to choose the blur effect here. Now to get the blur filter, what you want to do is you want to tap on stickers option. Under stickers you want to tap on details option, and from here you can see blur option. You want to increase it to 60% the strength, and here what you want to do is you want to increase its size all the way that the whole video will get blurred. So you can see the whole video is blurred. Now once you do, simply tap on save. Simply select the whole video size here, and once you select the size, what you want to do is you want to save the particular video. You want to simply save the video to your device. Simply tap on save option. You can choose the resolution if you want, and then simply save it. I'll just save it to 720p here. Once you have saved the video, simply head back. Now you want to replace the video that you have added here, or what you can do is you can simply delete this or remove this, or you can head back, discard this, and once you discard it, simply tap on video and just open up the video that you just saved, the blur video. Now you can see the video has been opened. Now you want to tap on peep option on the screen, and then you want to select the original video, and here resize it. And to fit it, once you resize it, you want to head here and simply tap on cutout option, and once you tap on cutout here, you can see it has been cut out and the blur effect has been removed from the middle here, and only the background is blurred here. So the video is not quite smooth, but this is how you can blur your video background. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.